Hello, this is nutritionist Harpreet Pasricha and welcome to Fit Talk. So today we are going to talk about headaches. So headaches which have become very common nowadays and also seen in children. So specific headache, that is migraine. Now migraines can happen because of many reasons. So today we'll learn the reasons for migraine, the trigger factors and the nutritional therapy to relieve migraines. So migraine headaches बहुत common हो गए हैं आजकल, especially when you see women. We usually see that they are having migraine during their periods, or sometimes even children. I'm seeing that a lot of cases of children are coming to us when they get migraines. Now migraine headaches जो हैं वो normal headache से थोड़े से different होते हैं. इनकी इंटेंसिटी, इनकी पेन जो है वो ज़्यादा होती है. इट ऑल्सो लास्ट फॉर लॉन्गर टाइम. सो कई बार वो 1, 2 या 3 दिन तक भी रहते हैं. एंड यूजली हमने देखा है कि मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स इन पीपल हैव माइग्रेन, उसके साथ उनको आइदर नॉजिया हो जाता है या वॉमिटिंग या ब्लर्ड विजन हो जाती है, सेंसिटिविटी टू लाइट एंड साउंड हो जाती है. सो माइग्रेन हेडेक्स यूजली are more intense and they stay for longer time than a normal headache. Now migraines के बहुत सारे trigger factors या reasons हो सकते हैं, right from poor sleep to hormonal changes in the body, overuse of medication, stress, genetic. But diet and lifestyle also plays a very important role when it comes to migraine. If there is a good diet and there's a good lifestyle, at least the frequency of migraines can definitely reduce. So let's learn about certain foods, what can help in reducing the migraine and the frequency of migraine. Now when we have poor gut or we have inflamed gut, उसकी वजह से भी migraine triggers जो है या migraine की frequency जो है वो बहुत हो जाती है. Now gut inflammation मतलब बहुत सारे issues जैसे कि constipation या irritable bowel हो सकता है, या acidity हो सकती है, flatulence हो सकती है, gaseous हो सकता है, bloating हो सकता है. These are all indicators that the gut is not functioning well, digestive system. Now उसके लिए सबसे पहले what you have to do is you have to see that you're correcting your gut. अगर आपको migraine कम करना है तो आपको पहले gut पे काम करना पड़ेगा. So gut basically the digestive system. So you have to understand that what are the foods which are suiting you. You have to see that you're not eating foods which are causing inflammation. So whether it is refined products like refined sugar, or you're having refined carbohydrates, या आप बहुत सारा alcohol ले रहे हो. So all these are trigger factors for the gut inflammation. Having good quality of prebiotic, probiotic and postbiotic in your diet, having anti-inflammatory food in your diet, having insoluble fiber in the diet can help to keep your gut healthy. And once your gut is healthy, automatically the frequency of migraines will come down. Like how gut is related to migraines, similarly hormonal health is also related to migraines. If there is a hormonal imbalance, अगर आपकी बॉडी में एस्ट्रोजन कम है या प्रोजेस्टेरॉन कम है या एस्ट्रोजन बहुत ज़्यादा है, that can also cause. So पहले तो अपने hormones को करेक्ट करिए, एंड उसके लिए आप you have to see that you're exercising regularly, you're eating clean, you're eating right. इसके साथ साथ you have to also take care of these micronutrients, especially selenium, chromium या zinc. These foods also help in a good hormonal health. Good hormonal health is equivalent to lesser migraines. Also including magnesium rich diet can also help in reducing the frequency of migraine. Now magnesium rich food जैसे कि nuts and seeds, so especially जैसे हम almonds की बात कर रहे हैं या pumpkin seed की, but make sure that you're roasting them or you are first soaking these before having them, before consuming them. साथ ही साथ avocado or having figs or having banana, they are also foods which are rich in magnesium which can help in reducing the migraines. Now along with that, अगर आप कुछ functional foods अपनी diet में डालेंगे, functional food जैसे lemon grass या आप mint अपनी diet में use करेंगे, apples diet में use करेंगे, किशमिश raisins use करेंगे, उससे भी जो है आपकी frequency of headaches जो है वो कम हो जाएगी. Now let me tell you how you can use them. So लेमन ग्रास जो है, आप लेमन ग्रास का पानी पी सकते हैं. सो आप जस्ट 1 लीटर पानी में आप अराउंड 2 स्टेम्स ऑफ लेमन ग्रास को बॉईल कर दीजिए, उसको सिप करके रहिए. दैट विल हेल्प यू इन रिड्यूसिंग द माइग्रेन फ्रिक्वेंसी. सिमिलरली जो पुदीना है वो चाय में डालिए. हम लोग अदरक डालते हैं या हम लोग तुलसी डालते हैं, बट पुदीना नॉट मेनी पीपल ऐड. So just add about 2 or 3 leaves of pudina when you are making your chai. That will also help to reduce migraines. Along with that, eating raisins regularly, eating apple can also reduce the frequency of migraines. Now इसके साथ साथ बहुत सारे और ट्रिगर फैक्टर्स होते हैं, जैसे कि अगर आप बहुत सारा कैफीन पी रहे हैं या बहुत सारी आप सही से सो नहीं रहे हैं, there's an improper sleep time, erratic food time, because erratic food time है तो एसिड लेवल जो है बॉडी में हाई हो जाता है, या too much of heat. So all these things also you have to consider and you have to see that कौन से trigger factors हैं specifically आपकी बॉडी के लिए, आपको उसको एलिमिनेट करना पड़ेगा या उसको मिनिमाइज़ करना पड़ेगा। और साथ ही साथ अपने स्ट्रेस लेवल्स को कम करेंगे, you will see that you will have lesser migraines or you may not have migraines at all.